everybody. I have personally seen different diagnoses in a few different positions that I've had. First would be a community mental health organization I worked in that catered to adults with dual diagnosing mental illness. One of the diagnoses being schizophrenia. So all of the clients had schizophrenia and some other diagnosis, generally depression, mood disorders, things of that sort as well. Next, I interned and worked in child welfare, both in intake and ongoing services. So during that, I saw a, a large amount of different diagnoses for all age ranges, for children to adults, whether they're caregivers, siblings, pretty much all age ranges, which was a very interesting thing to see. And lastly, I worked in an agency with single and separated parents and families, and that had some diagnoses as well. When it comes to diagnoses, I think having the correct diagnosis is super important and is very helpful in stabilizing individuals. I do think that the stigma that comes along with it can be very difficult for either the person being diagnosed, sometimes for the family as well, so that can definitely be a hurdle to overcome with them. And for actually making the decisions or using the DSM-5, I haven't been in that position where I've truly diagnosed someone, but I have helped people either needing references or needing different diagnoses, or maybe having the wrong one in the first place. So I've definitely made references for that, spoken with therapists on behalf of patients, spoken with parents, and helped enable them to get services for children or for themselves. So that can be very interesting. But I definitely agree that having the proper diagnosis is very important for making sure that people, get the right supports and get where they need to go in life, which is awesome. But yeah, it's been very interesting to see so many different diagnoses, and especially in different age ranges, that one diagnosis can look completely different just based on someone's maturity level, which is very interesting to witness. But yeah, that's a little bit of my story. So I'm excited for the class. I hope that, everyone has a good day. Bye.